How to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off the portrait mode on your Snapchat camera. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. So what I'm talking about is there is a certain mode on your Snapchat which will focus on your face rather than the background so that you will get a crisp picture. So let's see how you can turn off that mode. First thing first, you will have to open up your Snapchat, and once your Snapchat is open, just tap on this little arrow at the top right corner, which will show you more options like multi-snap, timer, director mode, tone, focus, and grid. So usually if your portrait mode is on, then that means this focus is also on, because the focus mode is your portrait mode right here. So what you want to basically do is just turn off this portrait or focus mode, then your camera will be back to normal. So that is basically it, guys. You just have to turn off the focus mode or check if this is toggled on. You just have to tap on it again to turn it off. I hope you found it helpful. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.